Recording. Hi, welcome to our channel, and this is the end of the season and we're taking out our end walls, and what could be more fun than taking apart some broken lawnmowers and turning it into an end wall transporter. And that's what we've done today. This is Brian's idea. So what happened was last night we stayed up late and took out the motors, which were dead, and Brian with his little chainsaw fit them into where the motor was, and then this long piece of alder is set on bolts with washers so it'll swivel, and the idea is make it easier to move these heavy things.
Could I interrupt?
Yeah, please do.
So, yeah, I think motors really apply to a certain type of power plant, so electric motors, but if it has its own fuel supply, it's called an engine. So there's steam motors that are supplied from a boiler. So a steam engine has the combination going down the railroad tracks. It has the boiler and the steam engine. But if you have a steam engine and a separate boiler, that fuel supply, that energy is from elsewhere, making it an engine. Lawnmowers have engines. They have their own fuel supply contained. Just wanted to make that little point. As to this, ridiculous pursuit of our time, I just thought this would be kind of neat, because in the past we wait for some poor unsuspecting neighbor to come over and say, hey, would you like to help us move our tomato hoop house end walls? And there's plenty of backbreaking.
Yeah.
They're not that heavy, but we do kind of like laying them flat. And I'm going to kind of demonstrate, this is what I'm hoping is going to happen here. It's kind of like a fire truck, ladder truck, in that I can steer from both ends.
Yeah, because it's swiveling.
And Jenna, you're going to push that.
Push it a little. Sure.
This way.
Okay.
Because we're a little tight.
Tight quarters. Yep.
Yeah, you didn't pull that enough.
Okay, so maybe I'll just set the camera down and we can experiment with 2 hands. This is the way we're going. We're trying to get it in there. Okay.
We're going to go back towards you, and then you're going to rotate. Oh, look.
Rotate. I just did.
Okay, well, you're going the wrong way. The handle goes that way.
Oh. This way.
That's better.
Okay. Oh. Very nice.
Now
Okay.
straighten it out. We're going to jockey once.
Okay.
And I'm going to get that straight. I'm going to turn. I'm going to miss that.
Yep, and I'm going to shift and go this way. Good, Brian. We're a little tight.
It is kind of tight.
Should I?
So we have to jockey one more time.
Are you sure?
Okay, try a hard time.
Nice. Okay.
Give it up there, because then I make a few errors.
Right. So we're going to lift it. So we did it, we put it in place, and the other one has yet to be come down, but that's what we're going to do, and it worked. So don't throw it away. Thanks for watching.